Should I talk to detectives if I'm accused of a felony? in
Absolutely
Illinois?
not. And that is an emphatic no. Nobody should ever talk to the police without an attorney present. Many folks who think, well, I didn't do anything.
Right.
I'm not guilty.
Yeah.
And I would argue to that person, it's probably even more of a more important than to get an attorney. Well, I didn't do anything. I'll just talk to the police and tell them, and then I'll be on my way. And that's not the case. If the police are talking to you, and you're not a witness in a capacity of a suspect, they're looking to get incriminating information. They're trained to do that. And I always tell folks, you can give some benign fact. Hey, I was at this gas station at this time. Well, that's when that robbery occurred. Now you just put yourself in the crime, the scene of the crime. Well, now they're one step closer to having evidence that you may have done that, and so nobody should ever subject themselves to answering questions or an interrogation by any law enforcement officer without an attorney present. It'll serve no purpose. And the common belief is that I'll tell my story and I'll be on my way. Generally does not happen. And they call us and, well, I thought I was going to, just tell them, I didn't do this and I'd be on my way, and they find themselves in a bad predicament.